Bonjour et bienvenue. Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's learn some basic greetings in French which you can use whenever you want to greet a person. So let's start. So the first one is les salutations. So the greetings in French is known as les salutations. Salutation. So whenever there is Tion, you read it like Sion. So it's Sion. Les salutations. Les salutations. Les salutations. Now, the first one, which is used as good morning or hello, bonjour. 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 Always make sure that whenever you're reading a word, try to break the word and try to read it like bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. And also, if we talk about good morning, we also say bon matin, bon matin, bon matin, bon matin. Now, let's understand how do we say have a nice day. Bonne journée. Journée. I'm breaking the words and explaining you. Journée. Journée. So whenever you have E with an accent aigu, it always give a sound of A. 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 So bonne journée. Bonne journée. So bonne journée. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame. 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 Good morning, madam. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, sir. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Bonjour, mademoiselle. 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 So let's break it and understand. Ma de moi. Oi, oua, oua, oua. Zel. So whenever there is S surrounded by two vowels, it gives the sound of Z, as I've already explained in my previous lessons also. Bonjour, mademoiselle. So bonjour, mademoiselle. Now, let's do the next one. Madame, madame. Monsieur, monsieur. Mademoiselle, mademoiselle, mademoiselle. Salut, salut, salut. T is silent. Il ne prononce pas. We don't pronounce it. Salut. Coucou, 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 coucou. Bonsoir, bonsoir. Bonsoir, madame. Bonsoir, mademoiselle. Now, let's repeat from the beginning once again. Répétez encore une fois. Les salutations. Les salutations. Bonjour. Bonjour. Bon matin. Bon matin. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Madame, madame. Monsieur, monsieur. Mademoiselle, mademoiselle, mademoiselle. Salut, salut. Coucou, coucou. Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. I hope all the words which you have done till now are absolutely clear. Now, the next set of words which we are learning are bonne, Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Again, I'm breaking it. Bonne soirée. So E with an accent aigu, again, it gives the sound of A. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening day. À demain. À demain. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. À bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt. Because IEN gives the sound of ian, gives the sound of ian, and O is having a hat. It's an accent circumflex, which we'll be doing when we'll be doing the accents lesson. Okay. For now, you have to understand the pronunciation. A bientôt. A bientôt. À plus tard. À plus tard. À plus tard. À plus tard. See you later. Now, see you in a while. How do we say this in French? Let's understand the pronunciation. Now, there is one rule in French where you have to link the words whenever there is a consonant and it's following with a vowel. So, what do? You link the sound of the word. Par exemple, a, tu, a, tu, ta, leur. A, tu, ta, leur. A, tu, ta, leur. Par exemple, a, tu, ta, leur. A, tu, ta, leur. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Next word, au revoir. Says goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. 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 Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bon, again, there is a rule here. Whenever there is a consonant followed with a vowel, you link the sound. N is a consonant and A is a voyelle. Now, bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. So I've written it in the form how you exactly have to pronounce it so that it is easier for you when you practice yourself. You're able to match it and then you are able to speak it in the correct manner. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Merci. 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 So merci means thank you. Merci beaucoup. Beaucoup. Because EAU gives the sound of O and OU gives the sound of U. So, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Merci bien. Merci bien. Merci bien. Thank you so much. Now, if you want to say mention not, de rien. De rien. De rien. De rien. Now, let's repeat the words again from good evening so that it's easier for you to understand and revise it once again. So, répétez encore une fois. Bonsoir, bonne soirée, à demain, à bientôt, à plus tard, à tout à l'heure, au revoir, bonne nuit, bon après-midi, merci, merci beaucoup, merci bien, de rien. Now, let's proceed ahead. Now, Now, if you want to say you are welcome, so in French, we have a formal speech and we have an informal speech. So, what is formal and informal? We need to understand. Formal is something, when you don't know the person and you're meeting a person for the first time. And informal is when you already know a person, a friend, and a family member. So, all these things comes into the category of an informal. And formal is when, you're meeting someone for the first time or someone who's elder to you. Okay, so that's formal and informal. Now, let's understand formal and informal in French in the form of you are welcome. Now, for example, whenever you will see that there is a context of vous in French, then that always tells you that it is formal. So, formel. Now, whenever you see that there is tu, just an example right now, tu, so that is informel. Informel. So that means informal. Now let's understand you are welcome in formal and informal. Okay. Now, if you want to say you are welcome, so you say je vous. So whenever there is S which is following an E, you always make sure that it gives the sound of Z. It gives the sound of Z. So like je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. So the correct pronunciation is je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Now, this means you are welcome in the formal way. Now, if you want to say you are welcome in informal, so how do you say? Je t'en prie. So en on sound. So je t'en prie. Je t'en prie. Je t'en prie. Je t'en prie. So it's very important. Understand the sound. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Je t'en prie. Je t'en prie. Now, if you want to say with pleasure, so you say avec, because C gives the sound of K. K. Avec plaisir. Avec plaisir. Plaisir. Because you know that whenever there is two vowels surrounded by S, it gives the sound of Z. Plaisir. Plaisir. Avec plaisir. Now, if you want to say welcome, you say bienvenue. 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 Now, let's repeat the words once again so that it's clear to all of you. Bonne nuit. Bon après-midi. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Merci bien. De rien. Je vous en prie. Je t'en prie. Avec plaisir. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Now, these were some basic greetings what one should know while if you want to ask someone or you want to greet someone in French, right? Now, let's understand some very basic questions like how do you say how are you in French and how do you introduce yourself in French?